Dexter's DX Series electric over hydraulic actuator provides superior stopping power with the fastest ramp-up speed available. When used in unison with Dexter's hydraulic disc or drum brakes, you get where you need to go hassle-free with the best stopping power in the market. DX Series has an updated circuit board that provides over-voltage protection and built-in compatibility with most electric brake controllers. Stainless steel fasteners and a completely sealed housing protect the interior components from the elements for longer-lasting product life. A larger fluid reservoir accommodates both efficient brake bleeding and the brake fluid requirements for the entire life of the brake pads up to triple axle trailer configurations. Dexter's complete braking system, from the actuator to the brakes, has been designed, tested, and manufactured, ensuring the system works together, providing the best braking performance. For more information on Dexter products, visit our website or check us out on social media.